The M3RS-U2 Rotary Smart Stage provides point-to-point angular micro-positioning with the smallest size, high resolution, and unmatched ease of integration into your OEM design. For evaluation in beam steering systems, NuScale Technologies now offers the 2-axis, 2-mirror beam steering developers kit. This is a complete piezoelectric beam steering system with a familiar Galvo form factor but a drastically smaller size. The included aluminum-coated mirrors move it up to 1,100 degrees per second or up to 100 Hz at small angles, with repeatability of 0.05 degrees for precise point-to-point beam steering. The beam steering system accepts direct input of high-level digital commands from your system processor via I2C, SPI, or UART. The high resolution and compact size of the system makes it ideal for precise point-to-point beam steering in a limited space. Its embedded controller and low voltage requirements make it suited for handheld, portable, and battery-powered instruments used in medical, industrial, telecommunications, and aerospace and defense applications. Included in this beam steering developers kit is everything you need for a thorough system evaluation. This includes 2 rotary smart stages, mounted mirrors, a 650 nanometer collimated laser, base, demo board, cables, USB adapter, and NuScale's Pathway software for system evaluation and development. Note that the breakout board is to ease product evaluation from your PC and provide scope-probable access to your communication channels. It is not required for beam steering or final integration into your system. The controller is inside of the Rotary Smart Stage and simply requires DC power and digital commands from your system processor. While each kit includes a standard set of aluminum-coated mirrors pre-attached to the stages, you can easily mount your own mirrors, prism, or optics to the rotating shaft as you evaluate it for your application. If needed, NuScale's application engineers are happy to help you optimize the mounting of your payload to the rotary stage. Click the link below to access a full datasheet and see if this 2-axis beam steering kit could be a solution for angular positioning within your system. Contact NuScale Technologies with any further questions or to get your kit today.